Hi, I'm Matt with Fox Airsoft, and I started playing Airsoft in 1999. I've been to multiple military simulation events all throughout the country. And in 2006, I started Fox Airsoft with the goal of growing the sport and delivering quality airsoft solutions. The team we have here at Fox today all shares the same vision and has a similar background as myself. You're probably here right now because you want to get started playing airsoft, but you're not really sure how. Well, all of us started at the same point, and it started with getting some quality equipment that's going to be reliable so we can get out on the field and play every weekend. To help you out here, we established this category page, our starter kits. They're designed to give you everything you need to get out and play. There's two main types of starter kits that we offer. The first is our pistols. Now the pistols are the best option if you're on a limited budget to get you into a good quality gun that's going to give you the option to go out and see what airsoft is all about. We also have our rifles as well too, if you're ready to get out into something more robust that's going to allow you to play every single weekend. I've been there before where I bought something online that I really didn't know much about, and in the end, it wasn't really what I wanted. It didn't give me the ability to go out and play consistently, and it wasn't reliable. The beauty of the starter kits that we have here is that it's going to save you time, money, and frustration in the long term. You know that when you buy one of our quality starter kits, you're getting a good gun, and you're going to get the equipment that you need to get out on the field and play. Now make sure to click the link here at the bottom of the video. That's going to take you to our starter kit category page. Now you're going to want to make sure to check back often because we do change them and update them with new products as they become available. Now if you need more information, make sure to get in contact with us. You can do that by signing up on our email newsletter or by emailing sales@foxairsoft.com. One of our expert staff is going to be happy to help you out and answer any of those questions that you still have so that you can get the best kit that's going to work for your needs.